Hey everyone, today I'm going to explain how to get a contractor license in California. So first, check if you meet the basic requirements. You usually need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid social security number or ITIN, and have the required work experience in the trade that you want to apply for. Next, choose the right license classification. So this depends on the type of work that you plan to do, like general building, roofing, electrical, plumbing, or another trade. After that, complete and submit your application to the Contractor State License Board, also known as the CSLB, and make sure the details are correct so the process does not get delayed. So once your application is accepted, prepare for the exams. So most applicants need to pass a law and business exam plus a trade exam. And after passing, you may need to complete live scan fingerprinting, get a contractor bond, and submit any final requirements. So once everything is approved, your license can be now issued. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.